And ladies and gentlemen, the 7th team to qualify for the knockout stages. Give it up for Yangon Galacticos! Boys, congratulations. And of course, Ying, what an impressive performance. How does it feel to finally win the slot to the knockout stages?
ရမ်းပြုတ်သွားတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ရှေ့ရပွဲတွေမှာကျွန်တော်တို့အရင်ဆုံးမတက်နိုင်တော့နည်းနည်းတော့အားမရဘူးသိပြီးတော့
He said he is very happy about that, but he can make it since game 3 and series 3 and 4. So it is just that.
So I'm pretty sure everybody's really happy. Everybody's all smiles on stage right now. And of course, Blink, we noticed that after your victory up against Onyx, the team looked rather shaky in the next few matches. Can you tell us more about it?
အဲ့ဒါလည်းကြတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ပြင်ဆင်မှုတွေနည်းနည်းတိတ်မလုံလောက်ခဲ့လေပေါ့ကျွန်တော်တို့အမားနည်းနည်းများသွားတယ်ပေါ့ဒါပေမဲ့အဲ့အမားတွေကိုကျွန်တော်တို့ပြင်ဆင်ထားပါတယ်အကောင်းဆုံးပုံစံနဲ့ပြန်လာခဲ့ပါ
About that, he said we need a little bit trainings and we make some mistakes also. So we have learned about it and we're ready to fight back.
Now, Blink, do you think that the other teams know how YG plays? That's why it was also kind of difficult to secure wins, or it's just really internal problems that caused the losses?
အဲ့ဒါတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့အဲ့လိုမားတွေအရင်များသွားတယ်ပေါ့ဘာလီပိုင်းနေပါမားတွေအရင်များသွားပြီးတော့ခုလည်းပြောဆိုပဲပြင်ဆင်မှုတွေတိတ်မလုံလောက်ခဲ့ပေါ့အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မို့ပဲထင်
Not about these things. We make mistakes, so that make us lose. That's
I
all.
see. Now we hope that YG actually bounces back and learn from these mistakes as we enter the knockout stages. And of course, Lena, going up in this match, you guys were actually facing a momentum-based CG because they were coming off wins. And for you guys actually were coming back from kind of a slump. Now, did you think that being Scream partners with CG made this game harder or easier?
သူတို့နဲ့ဒီ CG ကကျွန်တော်တို့နဲ့ screen တွေအများကြီးဆော့ပြီးကျွန်တော်တို့နဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့လိုအပ်တဲ့အချိန်မှာအဲ့ဒီအတွက်လည်းဒီ CG တင်းကိုအများကြီးကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ဒီပွဲကလည်းကျွန်တော်တို့အတွက်အရင်ကြီးလွတ်ကူခဲ့တာမဟုတ်ပါဘူးဒီကတော့သူတို့ကျွန်တော်တို့အများကြီးကူညီပေးခဲ့တဲ့အတွက်ကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်
He said we have played a lot of games with the CG and they always help us in the scrims. So it is not an easy win, it's a tough game. So thank you for the CG for partnering us and having a good fight.
Yeah, that was definitely an amazing series because we could see in game 2, oh, that was really, really close. And I think it did play a factor into such a close game that both teams are actually really good Scream partners. And apparently I even heard they were Scream partners all the way back in the MPL. And of course, Stitch, you, Lena, and Blink have already been on the World Championship stage before. So is there any advice you'd give to your fellow teammates who are rather rookies in the internationals as we move on to the final stage of the competition?
ကျွန်တော်ညီလေးတွေဘာပြောချင်လဲပြောစရာတော့များစားမရှိပါဘူးကျွန်တော်ညီလေးတွေကငကိုရဲကောင်းပြီးသားမို့လို့ပါ
There's nothing to say because my rookies, my little brothers are already so good.
Aw, his little brothers are already so good. That's so cute. What a cute relationship they have in YG. And of course, last question will go to Han. Now, aside from the fact that Myanmar has actually never missed a knockout stage, as long as Myanmar is in the tournament, how confident is Yangon Galacticos that you guys can actually surpass whatever highest record or benchmark the other Myanmar teams have set previously?
အနည်းဆုံး1 to 4ကနေကြော်ရင်တော့ champion ပေါ့
At least 1 to 4 and we aim for the champion.
Wow! YG is making a statement as they get their knockout slot ticket. You know what, boys? Congratulations! That was an amazing series. Later on, we will be doing a draw to know who YG will face.